Yes, I'm back. Invite your friends. I'm back. I wanted to start that music with a message. Not be every message that they use mouth TikTok. You understand? As a goddess, the godmother of Facebook, the generator and the beginner of bully, I was. Today, I will tell you, I was. I am not anymore. So I know how it work. You can't pretend. When you are a bully on social media, you are a bully. And I will tell you the problem of people who bully on social media that never want to stop. There is no way, no fight. None of these women kill each other children. No. No fight can linger on for 3 years long if you guys are not sadists. If there is nothing that is wrong with you. Anyway, let me stop this bullshit of English because I got to understand that after watching several videos of Jagawere today, I now understand that many of our followers don't understand English. They don't, the moment, even this my small one, they don't understand. So I need to break them down. All the mommy in the house. I go break am down today to Nigeria level where we go fit they understand. So that Jagawere herself, she go fit understand wetin I talk. And all our men, those one wey don't turn to women, those women rapper and men rapper wey dey. Those ave eva kuma mame, all those ishan wey be eva kuma mame. All those one wey be say, those Benin wey be say, by worry don't cause them for that life wey they fake come. So my banedo, egbe mo hin na do gba mi wa. Messiah wa warriere wa gba o wa gbe yeke. De oge monika hin lugan. So if ye do no go me, ni ya yin egbe. Ave do ne egbe ni ro. Wa ro no na wa to ta. Entertainment time. Oh no. Okay, can what to ta? Why book more yakara? Why got gear? Why got enjoy? Because of mono mo wa monica lobo. Ore no do boja. No riana. Ya gbiyan ja. Ora hoye. Ave sana hu you we san re ni ri keke san. Oh yan okpe ni akegbele kian. Ni yan ije na isan yan ara lalo. But even time yan. So this video today, I titled it, The Rise and Fall of Jagawere. I would say it's part 1. No. This one is part 1. A kind of, I will, English now. This video, now Jagawere, part 1, now it be. When you say something is part 1, meaning it can come with a lot of parts. Depends on how you want it. That's how I normally serve my food on Facebook. I can just do part 1 for you. The next one I am coming with will be peaceful. I can do part 1 for you. The next one will even be worse than part 1. The one I did yesterday, it is not counted. It was for peace. Okay? It was for advice. It was for my colleague. You understand? To pinpoint and tell them the world is watching all of us. I don't know if you guys will now will be Yoruba way day. Don't cut on ourselves say we na Yoruba we get our own issue. Bini we be Bini una get our own issue. Ishan we be Ishan. For me, today I am sitting here for Nigeria. One Nigeria. One. So I'm not talking to particularly Edo. So Edo that don't want to hear about Nigeria, go and sleep now. It's still early. Go and sleep. I'm not talking to Yoruba people. Yoruba, you know, they hear English. Many of them are they like that. And you know why hear this one? Because I know they talk to Yoruba today. Go and sleep. It's still early. Ishan, quick. Una not fair plenty. Mona just go sleep. You hear Mona drink, una can Mona sleep. But I'm going to be talking to one Nigeria, oneness, one Nigeria. That one Nigeria, it concerns all of us. Those who get interest for Nigeria. Why I come out yesterday? I no come out because I hate Jagabans. Una know, my people know me. I know they hate nobody. Even person wey go do me trouble safe. If I do you finish also, waiting you do me, you don't finish. Not to talk of person wey we never ever do trouble before. I don't hate her. I no hate her. Esabod, I no hate her. You understand? And since where they quarrel for all these years, e no concern Monica. I know they be muye. I know sabi go the pull mark for waiting no concern me. No. I know sabi, but many people wey no get brain, wey no dey hear English, they don't understand. If Monica come and they talk for something, they know they understand. And haters also. Me, I get a lot of haters. I get a lot of enemy. Many they jealousy me for common makeup self na problem. I married to Ishan na problem. I be Benin woman na problem. I better pass them na problem. I get children where they don't get na problem. I get husband na problem. So people have different reasons of hating me. I can fight for myself without calling the whole group, without forming a group, without looking for gang. Nobody have ever called on my video apart from my friend. Once a while, I don't even allow her. You understand? Una know now. If I dey talk, I know they allow so because I mean they fight my fight. I know they fight group in group. Say they look for my brother Pikin can't join me, my sister Pikin, my friend can't join me. I don't do that bullshit because I don't see the person will get too head. If I see person will get too head, maybe I'll go call people join body. But say now so na job be so now na be for live video. I can't go dey look for him. Gather. Una not bath, oh. That one na one. Una not bath. Those wey bath, no cream to dey rub. Okay. So, yesterday, wetin make me interfere for this matter? I need to tell people wey get ear. Because some get ear, they know the hear word. But those wey get ear, we want like to hear. Why I interfere on this matter? Jagaban, Jaga were, real proper were, that were, I go cure am. If I no cure am, una no say, no be my father, a dokpolo, A-E-D-O-K-P-O-L-O-L. Nine, me. Now be say, mama bring my belle come for her side. I go cure am. I dey talk and I go be like say, boy ya me, wetin be? I tell una that day. I say I no be doctor. Oh. I no go school, go learn doctor. I no get doctor profession. But this the word of my mouth. It pass medicine for some people. That's why the word of my mouth, I call it injection. It depends on the type that you need. I can give you good one. You will be happy. Your life will never be the same again. But if I give you the one that can make somebody crazy, hey, me, Monica, I feel make 20 people, they make live video every day. Person wey say irresponsible, I'll tell you, you must disgrace yourself. Me, not me. It's my injection. It's a gift God gave to me. It's a gift. And I don't joke with it. Anytime I want to give it out, I must make sure that you deserve it. I don't give it to weaker people. I don't use it to bully. I have the power, but I don't use it to bully. Never. If you see me, I come for somebody, that person deserves it at that moment. And you guys, don't forget this. When I come for people, when I finish dealing with them, I will still be the one to give them courage to start all over again and say it is over. Nobody on Facebook have ever made problem with me that I've ever apologized. I am the one that always, I am the first. You know why? Because the one who lets trouble go, they are the strongest and not the weakest. Many people, like a friend said, please, that person, don't call me again. If you call me, I'll block you. Don't call me again. Please. Don't call me again. You are not the one paying my aspirin. You are not the one paying my internet bill. I don't like that nonsense. I don't like it. I know what I'm doing. I'm not a baby. I know many of you think I am stupid because you are stupid. You don't have head to know who is intelligent. Please. So, make me forget where I did now. I don't like that thing. Please hold it to yourself. If you are afraid of Jagaban, don't watch this video. Because this video is the end of Jagabans. Part 1. I'm telling you, I don't joke with my words. And since I've been on Facebook, if I say it's war, it's war. What's that now? So I was somewhere. Now I miss it. So I came out. I don't know where I was. But I will just start again. So yesterday, I said where I was I said a friend normally said, if there is trouble anywhere, why do you allow them to, people always call you, stop the fight, stop the fight. What rubbish and nonsense is that? My answer be say, this English go kill me today. I want speak pidgin by fire by fire. I don't know why the correct one they can't enter my mouth. What it concern correct English for this one where I did today? Hey, so I'll tell people say, if you dey fight and you see person wey call you say, oh my friend, don't fight again. Okay, you know say you be good head, your head good. Because na good head, na in dey fight, person go separate am. But if bad head dey fight, people don't go separate, so that they go fight, make they die. You understand? So if you dey fight and your friend tell you say no fight again, you know weak. Not be because you don't get discipline, make people they can't tell you that one. Okay? Now because they love you. That is one. Yesterday, I comment. I tell people say, Jagabans, you miss it because not be so that they do motivation words. You say you dey encourage people, you dey motivate women. My people wey no know wetin be motivate, many Yoruba people no know am. No be say na to take bring them down, na because they are used to their language. Is good. You understand? Not be we be ni we be mogbe begbe. Nine say we no go speak our own. The one wey we fit speak, we go dey speak. He say where they say our English it go reach make the take build us according to that magician. But Yoruba people no they do that one. You understand? So many of them they used to their language. So for those of you who don't know what is motivation, to motivate somebody is to put hand on somebody where they down, somebody where something happen to. Like women where command husband house where no good, where they beat them. You go encourage that woman, build her confidence again. That woman where husband be the tell, say, you are good for nothing. That woman can know say she's good for something. That how to motivate somebody. When people they fight everywhere, you go enter. You no go join this one. You no go join this one. You go try to bring peace. Now be motivate. No motivational woman go gather gang. Say make we go street. Make we go Bojanorio. Make we go tell and say now we strong pass. Now our team. Person where they motivate, he know they get team. Person where they motivate, if they love everybody. You know they gang up. You know they fight for 3 years. Anybody where they fight for 3 years, where call yourself saying they motivate, the person na liar. That person na liar. That person they deceive himself and they deceive the people where they carry they go. And this person so she can be psychopath. But I'm still trying to watch her video to see how she hypnotize, how she's brainwashing these people. Don't forget, my people, say we don't fair do video where we teach you now how psychopaths they operate. psychopaths, they always they get power like leader. You understand? They get, you see this type of power of leader where I get, where nothing can break me, that they still get them. But why my own different and their own different? Me, I feel cure person madness, then I will calm down. I will even calm down more than that person, because curing that person madness is my goal, not to kill that person or to bring that person down, but I just want to cure the person madness, then I will go back to my share. But these people will be psychopaths, so they will cure, they will not even cure your madness, they will make sure that they make you more mad, because they want to rule you, they want to control your mind. They will tell you go, even when they know that you will die there. Just like what Jagaban do to Nurse Ellen. And even until this moment, Ellen never realized herself, because Jagaban, the boss, still say, I will stay inside while my people will fight for me, my boys. Go and fight for me. Woman rapper, go and fight for me. They will use people's head. No. These are the character of psychopath. Psychopath will have a mandate, but that mandate is so, you can never understand his own personal interest in it. That is a psychopath. That's how they work. They have a personal interest in whatever they are doing, but they will never tell their followers. But they will be using you and telling you, we are together. This thing, we are going to do it together. But meanwhile, every one of you are working for our own need and purpose. You understand? So, when I don't watch Jagaban's video today, I listen to a lot, and I'm a kind of, this is a woman psychopath. And when I listened to her video yesterday, the way she was talking, she's somebody that is afraid. That's why she's seek for protection. That's why she's look for people to guide her. That's why she's a kind of very bold at the camera, but on the ground, she's not. So in that, thinking about her situation, I find out that even she needs some help. You understand? And that help, because psychopath people, they are proud people. They don't come out to tell you they need help. So we are going to use systematically to make sure that we go use sense. When we say systematically, it means say sense way past sense. You know say sense they pass sense. Now that kind of sense now we go use for her. And me, I know they go do my own inside darkness. I know go do my own help for her inside the Babalawo shrine. Now here for live video, open market. Now me go do my own. And una go see the change. Now me tell you now. Yesterday, I come outside because Jagaban no get shame. Jagaban will say, in a woman where they lead women, in a woman where they give women power. Jagaban call women, take them go street, make them go fight fellow woman. And that fellow woman now old woman. That's why I say the old woman, he marks the chap. But when I still dig that old woman, I found out say the old woman a blogger. And when I type blogger, make I know what it they be. I can't find out say they have the right to blog anything bloggable. And what it can be the best issue when blogger blog your issue. You ignore like it don't happen, because everything where they happen for this social media, you know they reach 1 week, another thing don't come. So we don't first teach and to now say if something happen to you, no to go kill yourself. This woman will go kill herself for Jordan River now, be which river? Third Mainland Bridge River. Now Jordan River now they call them. That river, the people where don't swallow because of this type of nonsense. It's too much. And una know say if we say make we really talk the truth, Yoruba people, now they plenty pass for inside infidelity and adultery. Many of their women aunts are very soaked. I don't know why. It's a kind of their culture, or their culture don't forbid anything, you know. And they always blackmail them. Friend, you go like Jagabans. When she newly enter live video, make audio, that time we go. Una no remember again. Many of una brain not they work. But I go try to remind you now. Okay? They cannot flag my video, my Facebook. Oh, darling. Ha! These people. So you guys are be commonizing me, Monica. Me. Hey. Oh, Jamax, oh, me. You flag my Facebook. Me. Do you think I'm a baby on Facebook? Hey. My dear. Don't say it all. If you know where I have been to for this Facebook. Oh, yana. Muna flag. Mo see na. Hey? Do you think I'm all those rika riffraff people? Don't say it. My Facebook. Flag. Hey. Okay. Try. Maybe if you still flag her, you feel flag her, then I go dig on the more. Because the one where I did so, this level of my Facebook, I can't be flagged anymore. I know what I'm talking about. So, this woman will go jump for river, so if not because of Esabod and Jagabans, we go block this woman matter. This woman for not jump. Make we try help our sisters to stay alive. Everybody not be the same. I always tell una that day, say, woman body na different. We do a fiokodi video where we for show different type of pennies where men get, where women they manage for us. They no go fit can't tell you what they go through. That's why we be the tissue now how to use whatever you have to reach your organs. I have said it. Sometimes you don't need bigger care to feel good. I have said that thing where they call fear. If any woman can reach fame, I'm telling you, you will never in your life flirt again. Because the moment you reach fame, what are you looking for man for? And the fame, it's too sweet that you self, sometimes you don't need penis. You go just the look for fame, you know? Now with the tissue now, every now and then, to make sure that you can fame and you don't have to be looking for big cassava when your husband have this small. Because some women are married to money, not penis. Why some married to penny? Now different human being that they see. I don't see somebody where we for the talk and when we go Germany. So one woman say, I can marry for love. And almost every other woman where they say, I cannot marry for love this day because men are wicked. I will marry for money. If the man have money, then I can love them. You see? So we just debated on it. And at the end, I told everyone, if you can marry for money, you are a good woman. If you can marry for love, you are a good woman. Because everybody is different. Your taste might not be my taste. You understand? So some women are married to money. And they did not look at cassava. But when the going start going, you will see that cassava becomes problem. But if you go learn fear, my adult women, you now know we forbid such. Yoruba is not too much of a problem. The only thing is that they blackmail them too much, they start dying. If you see the only thing Yoruba man or woman can use in abusing a woman is if you slept with your husband, your friend's husband, he slept with this man, he slept with conductor, he slept with the driver. That's what Yoruba people know. They always accuse women of adultery because they know their women, majority of them are really like that. Majority of them, you can't swear for them. No matter the swagalicious, they will sleep with anything. Majority of them. You understand? So, women, I encourage you, please, go and learn what is fear. When you have fear and you know all the method, we show you wheelbarrow style, scissor style, no matter the smallest, you will enjoy it. It will be rigging on your brain here. Because of Jagaban's blogging, intimidating people, bullying them as if she's a saint. Meanwhile, she don't even get to come the brush her Congo for her side. Now hide. Because of that, she used it to bully women. Look at this woman today. What did she do that she have to jump in the river? Why? Because she flirts. Men know they do, huh? Many husbands know they sleep with their wife best friend. You don't see man we don't go jump for a river. Let's save our own. Let's save our women. If you are a motivational speaker, create a topic on how women who have fallen victim of sleeping around and you are caught, how you can retrain yourself back in line. Although you will be ashamed, don't come outside and be doing like that dog in Nostra. That one is dog. That's why since day one, when a woman, you are caught red-handed flirting, you have to be ashamed. You have to go off of social media for some time because you get shame for her now. I've been a dog lick you. You know? But that does not mean you should go and die. No. Don't die. Nothing where person never fed do before. Jagabans, please stop bullying people. That's what I asked you yesterday. I said, Jagabans, you said you are motivational speaker, that Esabod is the bully. I said no. With your video that I watched, I find out that you are the one bullying this woman. You set up a group, a gang. You keep beating her. Every party she go, you will go and fight her. That is not how we work on social media. Jagaban, this is social media. It's not for you. It's not for Yoruba people. It's for Mark. And we should use it properly. You started saying, if police cannot protect you, you protect yourself. Jagaban, go and buy gun. Go and buy gun and start shooting people so that we know that Jagaban want to protect herself. Jagawiri. Jagaban, go and buy gun. Start shooting. So that we know you want to protect yourself. If you keep your mouth shut, what will you be looking for police to come and protect you for? Eh? The gang are now turned to cultists. Yes, my sister. The gang are now, everybody is now afraid of them. Look at every one of them sending me message like as if I'm a coward like them. That's what is making me angry. Please, people sending me rubbish message of how dangerous is Abike Jagabans. I am not a coward like you guys. Yes, I give it to you guys. As many as you are that have been telling me how dangerous she is, I am not a coward like you. Who is she? I'm going to tell you guys what happened yesterday night. When everyone was sleeping, Jagaban, don't try me. If you see my leg here, I'm on this video purposely. My leg is on the ground. Do you hear me? I did not wear shoe. It's for a purpose. Jagabans, take your time. I'm going to tell you guys what happened yesterday night. If you try me, Monica, what beneath people have not seen. You know what? The only thing beneath people have seen is just to use their head to drink water and end the case. And look at all the people we have used their head to drink water. It's either they turn a green leaf, and that's me. Either you repent and face God and mind your business, or you will be wayward forever. Jagaban, today, tonight, something is going to happen. Get prepared. I know you are strong. Ha 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 ha. You don't know what happened yesterday, my people. Jagaban, you cannot try me, oh. Hey, me, if I don't disgrace you on live video, because nobody ever has done me the way you tried it yesterday. Nobody ever. Even the Asian people. Never. You? Me? Monica? Which I get there. So, Jagabans and Esabod, Because of the way you guys keep bringing dirtiness of Yoruba women. This one sleep with this, that one sleep with that one sleep with this, that one accusing women anyhow. That's why that lady, because of her nakedness, she jumped. Do you know that we, the Benin, have even had worse than that? Look at that woman that day in Germany. She was even having sex with dummy. We did not kill her. We did not allow her to go and jump a river. We only make video about her 1 or 2 times. We use that to show example to the rest. Don't send this type of video to any bagger man again. And that was the end of the video. The next video, we encourage her. Don't kill yourself. Wherever you are, shut down your Facebook and come back with another name. Take life easy. We encourage women, no matter what, because they pass through a lot. Even the single mothers that think Monica is against them. I'm not against you. I just want you not to be so cheap. You guys are too cheap. The first man came and dumped baby on you. He left. You carried that baby for 9 months. You pressed that baby. Some of you had operation to have that baby. The Kpekus never even heal. Another idiot is there again. You are opening your leg to so wide. That is the reason why we keep telling single mother, please now. The second man will come again and dump another prince with you. And he will go. You will still finish that one. Another bastard will come again. And you will be the only one taking care of 3 children, 3 fathers. When those children are started crashing, because different blood will always crash. They will always crash. Imagine, bastard is the father of one. Idiot is the father of one. Non-entity is the father of the third one. Imagine those blood. When a stupid person will start behaving and the bastard one will start, those small one they pick. You need concentration to bring those children to your own blood. That is the reason why we always point and talk about to educate them, to empower them. We don't want to keep clapping for them. Oh, single mother with five father, 5 children. Clap for yourself. You try. It's not easy. Only you want to take care of them. Are you stupid? After the first and the second mistake, is it not enough? Why must you go to 5 fathers? That's what we teach single mothers. We did not say single mothers don't have sex. We say go and lock it. Take care of the 2 that you have. Don't keep having baby for men, because you cannot use baby to hold man down. And after abusing your life like this, you are expecting one man to just come in your life and come and take you and your 3 different father children and come and live with you and still have your own. Some men don't like it. Many men don't like it. That's why they will keep dumping and they are running. You understand? That's why we try to bring them up. But they don't understand what we are saying, because sometimes Lolo speak big English where they know they understand. And a Lolo mostly they that area. So Jagabans and the Esabod, you guys have to help your tribe people before I go to Nigeria. Nigeria is one. When I'm talking about Nigeria, I'm talking about everybody. But when I'm talking about Yoruba, Esabod and Jagaban, you guys have a lot of work. God has given you a mandate. Why are you not working with the talent of God? You guys just buried the talent of God and you started doing your own thing. That is why Monica is here today, insulting you guys with a full mouth, big mouth. Because you let it happen. God don't know you guys. Jagaban, God don't know you. You did not go to school, but you can control English. It's an honor. I'm even educated more than you. But my accent is too strong. You have things that will make people sit down and listen to you, both locally and internationally. But what are you doing with it? As beautiful as you are, you can only make video with Yoruba. It's a shame, Jagaban. That's what I was telling you yesterday. Don't let this low-life Yoruba people lock you in a bus and you dare to come and try me at night when I was trying to lose you out of where they tie you. You dare to come and try me? Me, Monica? Do you know my God at all? You don't know me, eh? You only know that woman, the way they normally say it in UK. Monica is crazy. And none of you have inch of my wisdom. None of you. Forget it. I don't say my wisdom. I don't do over sabi. But if you are one-on-one with me, you will know that this is a wisdom mama. Okay? But I don't do over sabi for you to see it on live. It's none of my business. I am a comedian, I'm an entertainer, I am a loving person. I don't have time for I give it the way and I live there. If my bank account is not increasing because I did not do like this, I like it like that. You understand? I love to be me. Jagabans, you have everything that even other people will be wishing. But what did you do with it? You buried the part God gave to you as a potential. You can speak fluently. You can talk to people. You have a lot of people watching you, believing in you. But what did you try to do with them? To brainwash them into gangster, according to Jennifer. You brainwash them into gangster. That nonsense are not coming out to protest with your stupid. I don't understand. Jagaban, you were not sent out to go this way that you are going. You will keep getting insult. This is just the beginning. You see all these Benin Rikarika people that are just playing band. They are always like that. Those are ants and cockroach. We have never. I can't come outside like this for those ants and cockroach. You know how I normally break them like broom and throw them away. But they are my people. I can never do to them what I'm about to do to you tonight. Because they can never, and they have never tried me the way you did. Because of that, we are going to tie it like this. Jaga. You, Yoruba, they say you are too strong. But I'm going to break that power and I'm going to tell people who you are. And I'm going to disgrace you. I am telling you, don't joke with me. I am not a dangerous woman. But I am a mysterious woman. I am a strange woman. I'm not dangerous, but I'm very strange. And I am a mysterious woman. You can't read me. No matter the chapter you open again and again, you can never read me. Mystic. What they call mystic person. Jagaban. My words are medication to your madness. Jagaban, enough is enough. Nobody fight forever. Jagabans, you have been fighting and it's a time to stop. And this is the time. You have disgraced yourself to the whole Nigeria. You have proven that you missed your way. And I, Monica, I must show you the way back from where you are coming from. If you want to motivate, this is not the way for you. Jagaba, you disgrace the whole Nigeria. Everybody is still talking about your mess. Jagaba, the whole Nigeria. No country right now that is not talking about a Nigeria people. Two gang against each other. Where and Eje fighting in Stratford. And you come outside and still talking. You want to brainwash people. And you dare me at night. I am a mystical woman. A mystery woman. I am not dangerous. But you don't, when it comes to night, don't try me. Just sleep your sleep. And don't cross my lane when it comes to night. There are ladies for nights. You are not even night person. You only have night people. I am a night woman. So you don't dare me. My people don't dare me. They just black. And they go to bed. You don't want to black. And you think you come, snake, me, Monica. You don't try that, darling. You better go back to your roots. Jagabans, you are called to motivate your people. Stop bullying them. Stop bullying Esabod. You don't know. Maybe she's a distraction. She might not be. But because you have forgotten where you are supposed to follow, you are not following the other light. Jagabans, do you know how many things we can do with this social media? Even me, I'm not too fluent in English, but yet I have gotten so many approach on so many things. I don't disclose them. People think madness on Facebook can never stop. Family cannot stop her. Husband cannot stop her. They can't. Because I have a mandate on Facebook and I'm doing it properly. Sometimes you guys come with distraction, but I don't stay long. Jagabans, you have to go back. You have to go back. You have to go back. The snake will not help you because you are not the ninth lady. There are ninth people. You are not. You only have people who wash. You only have people who wash. And you want to fight with a ninth lady? You dare not. Jagaban, you dare not. I don't joke with it. Tai. Who are you? You only can deal with Yoruba people. Keep it there. If you dare me, don't try it. Jagabans, go back to where you are coming from. To lead your people, to talk to your people, how they can have paper, not by opening their nyash, not by telling everybody who doesn't have paper and who have paper, who is illegal, or blowing all their secrets. That's not what you are called to come and do. Esabod is an old woman. She have her children and grandchildren. Can't you see she's a disturbance? Can't you see she's a distraction? You have to stop. People settle you guys, but you guys continue to do it. You have to stop. It's not who stop first is the weakest. It's the person who never stop. You know they are the weakest. The person who stop after fighting and fighting is the strongest. What's your gain? You said getting attention. I tell you, you will always get attention. If you are called into it and you know what the stuff you are made of, you will always get attention. Stop using that woman for an attention and look for other way. Do you hear me? Esabod is a blogger. We keep saying it. I know many Yoruba brainwash people are now saying Esabod paid Monica. Nobody, since I've been doing live video, I have never collected money to do no shit. I'm telling you. Never. This type of shit, I do it freely. And I don't do it to support one. I weigh the matter and I do it freely. I don't collect money to blackmail. I don't collect money to take side. I have never spoken to anybody that is from Esabod. It might surprise you. So who is not the bully? You said Esabod is the bully. And Esabod did not approach me. Esabod did not send people after me, against me. Esabod people have never written and said, Monica, carry on, kill Jagaban. No. I don't even know them. The people I keep receiving threatening mail from is Jagaban's people. Can't you see who is the bully here? This is how you bully Yoruba people. You will even come at night. This is what happened yesterday night, guys. You know, normally, I normally say, if you don't get two head, you know they do live video. I know me say now two head we go come out for year and year. It get wait I use that thing tell me. Don't be say we show. I know many of you mind now very small mind. You understand? Esabod never do that. Yes, who is talking? She never. They never approached me. None of her people have ever approached me or even writing something like, thank you. But come and see Jagaban's people. They are like, They are like, I don't know, it's like I pour hot water on their brain. They are just like, if I'm blocking this one, another one is coming, another one. What's your problem now? Look at all of them today sitting on live video while I was walking. Jobless people. You have turned that man to woman ahead. I didn't even hear one word. I don't come for hands. I eat agbaka, crocodile. That's what I eat. If I want to eat meat, I eat crocodile because crocodile tastes like meat, flesh, and fish at the same time. Do you understand? I eat crocodile. I don't eat cockroach. I don't eat ants. Those ants, rats, you want me to face them? I don't have their time. They can keep on making video. Tomorrow, I'm starting work around 8:45. Coming back 4 o'clock in the evening. So if you want to make video, you want me to join you or to listen, if that is the reason why you guys are doing it, please do it in the evening, because those daytime I don't have time to watch. And when I return, I'm cooking and making my own video. Tomorrow I have my own video also to make on YouTube. So I don't have time to go and listen to your own video, especially the video they said is against me. I don't listen. I don't. Especially when you are ants. I don't promote ants. I used to do it those days. These days, I don't promote ants and sesefly. For what? I look for a baka and bite them. Baka. I eat crocodile. A baka. That's what Benin call it. You know? I don't eat ants. Those people talking, they are ants. Me, we come and be talking to BC, where police don't already take one picking. BC, where he goes small, so they bite your own picking. God forbid. Obie sana. Any opaika. Any na. Oh, BC o ibie san. Na hu ye san re. Oh, na where ya go? Where ya la the driver. Na BC. Mother we go bite small picking before police go come rescue her for your own mother. That one go come and talk. Me, Monica. I don't even hear what they say you talk. Oh. I only just see the title say you are still my sister. Me, your sister. Now don't craze. Now don't craze. Now they know I bet which part they play for my father children. They craze. If you know your sister, you don't know her. I'll be your sister because I'll get stupid sister where they come fight for abroad. You hear me? If I tell you how many family will be blood where I get for that your UK there. Don't ever see them fooling themselves. I don't get that kind of sister though. You know, which papa they born that kind of bastard where they come abroad, come fight. And they fight to Facebook where they do. Now my work now they do. And this is how I want Jagabans to keep it. You don't take fight. If since one now they fight for Facebook, I not talk who, but you disgrace Nigeria and you still have the impetus. You still have the right to be sending people after somebody who caution you to go back. Who are you? I ask you for the third time. Who are you, Jagaban? How many times do you want me to ask this question? Yesterday, who are you? Was on that video? Who are you, by the way? Who are you? You disgrace the whole Nigeria. You have made an history on Sunday. You and your cold, stupid women, bastard women. Useless single mother with 0 class. They will always misbehave and bring their head out. And when you call them single mother with 0 class, they are crying, ganging up for Monica. That idiot and wherever. Talking about single mother and a widow came out and start saying, don't talk about single mother, I will fight you. Widow! Is it hard to know that you are a widow, you are not a single mother? Pack where, widow, yeah? Pack where? So that thing you say it happened to you, it will happen to other people. We no repeat. That thing will not repeat in your life 14 times that you will come this world. Because what you wish other people always go back to you quick. Because you started it with your own mouth. Jagaban, you disgrace Nigeria. You disgrace Nigeria. It's everywhere. Newspaper carried it in Nigeria. Everywhere. They did not only say Yoruba woman. They say Nigeria women. Nigeria citizen. Netherlands news carried it. You bitch. And you are there still carrying your face instead of you to soak your face inside your toilet and cry yourself out. How did you come to this mess? How did you bring yourself to this low? And you are still there carrying your shoulder with your wayward, stupid, useless, illiterate England living people. Not all. But if the moment you hear UK and you claim yourself that, oh, I am among, may it be your portion. Not all. But many people in UK, they are so uneducated, even when they are in a place of speaking English. They refuse to go to school, apart from washing plates and washing toilet, cleaning a train station. You can as well clean a train station and still be going to school. I did that too. I was cleaning in a library and I was studying. You can do it. At a time I was working and I was still going to school through there. You can do it. It's not by looking for money and you become nuisance in the street of UK. Look at that other Yoruba woman that beats North Ellen. The way she was doing like this. You will surprise she don't have paper, because people who have documents in the country, they don't behave like that. You have made police deport a lot of women. Because UK have a lot of illegal. Illegal make them to be low self-esteem. They don't have paper, but they live, they have cars, they do this. You think they have paper, but inside of them, that's why they have low self-esteem. Because they know one day if police bash them, that's the end. That's the end of their life. Okay? Be careful. Jagabans and go back. I don't have time too much this night. That's what I come here to tell you and to tell people what transpired yesterday night. Guys, you know, I normally say on live video, if you don't get to it, you know they do live video. If you don't get to it, you know they do live video. I don't mean I'm saying I'm not sure. So, normal, if we don't fight for live video finish, everybody will enter us off live video, we will go sleep. But at a time, people go come out. They go bring live video come out. Hey, now so this one be depress me, oh. Now so I see am for window. Now so this happen, oh. Now so they be want do me this, so the thing go die down like that. Okay? You know why? Because if your hand clean, because if you really just talk, nothing attached to it, and you go back to bed. You understand? Everything will just be fine. And at that time, these people, they experience, you know, when they sleep at night, suddenly go be like say you wake up, like you just wake up. Some go say, it's like I saw somebody, it's like I do this. It's because you are innocent, you are clean. You must surely notice when there is strange things. But when you are not clean, I am telling you a secret. When you are not clean, you will never notice that thing. You will just sleep. You will sleep and only wake up in the morning and you will start thinking like, it's like something happened. It's like my hand. It's like my this. Okay? You understand me? Yesterday night, I was not sleeping when I finished that video. I was just arranging my makeup back to the set, and the things I brought from traveling. I was just putting some in washing machine and arranging them back. When I noticed something, I noticed like someone walked through my back, and I turned my back. I couldn't see nothing. Immediately, I stopped what I was doing. As a mystical woman that I am. So, Jagabans went to bed, and she was just sleeping. And she never make a move. No man, she is supposed to make a move. She never did. Because if you are bad, you can never make a move at that time. You sleep because you are bad. But I wish she make a move. That's the best. If you notice, someone is here. Even if you don't say it, it's the best. People who sleep at night and suddenly wake up some hours, especially strange hours, is the best. If you like, you don't see anything, is the best. You just distract something. But Jagaba's case, she was sleeping because the bad people, the bad mind, will sleep. They will not notice what happened. For that reason, Jagabans, let me tell you something that will happen. For that reason, that you didn't wake up, you didn't give any sign, it's a sign that you are bad. It's a sign that you were the one I saw. Jagaban, when I now check your documents, if you like, you believe. If you like, you not believe. I don't care. And me, I'm not going to do my own through the back door. No way. So when I check your documents, monkey was sitting on it. Monkey. Just one monkey, very small monkey, was sitting on your documents. I was like, why is monkey sitting on your documents? You put your document on renew. It has been delaying. And monkey was the one sitting on it. And because of what you did last night, don't try it again. Not everybody you can try that nonsense with. Me, Monica, I'm changing this monkey, and I'm going to put elephants on top of it. And this elephant, I'm going to be feeding this elephant with yam and water. When elephants have yam and water to eat, they will never go anywhere. Jagabans, for not fighting Facebook live video fight, ordinary, for involving whosoever that you involve, because you were sleeping. No man, innocent people will check. That's how you know innocent people. That's why sometimes you see people come to live video and say they become they are innocent people, so they will say you were sleeping. I changed that monkey that be sitting on your document. I change it with elephants. I'm going to be feeding this elephant until you return back to your senses on this live video issue. If you like, if you not like, it's your problem. I don't need 500 elephants. Only one elephant. It's okay. We shall see, Jagabans. We shall see. You will know that when you are not a night lady, don't even seek other night ladies, because you don't know the ladies you are coming to meet. Do you understand? This Monica is a mysterious night lady. Anything else, don't dare. Okay? As elephants will be sitting on your documents because you have caused many people pain. You have caused them tears. I will keep feeding this elephant water and yam. And when water and yam has been fed to elephant, they go nowhere. That's it, guys. Bye bye for tonight's show. Till further notice.